guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my vlogs and videos. You guys make my day. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for your likes and comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please go ahead and do that and be a part of my YouTube family. And I don't know what should I call my YouTube family, you know. Do you have any recommends, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Most of the time I'm just calling you guys but I want something cute for my viewers so that I can call you with that name. I call my husband Babu, and I give nicknames to those who I love dearly. And you guys, I love you all so much, so I want a name for you guys. So definitely leave in the comments down below what I should call you guys, and then we can call each other with names. And that's about it, guys. Let's go ahead and start today's day. I'm out of breath because I'm blabbering too much. So yes guys, I will see you in a sec. By the way, I got ready as well, guys, and this is the look I wanted to do yesterday. If you watch yesterday's vlog, हिजो चाहिँ म कस्तो लाउड देखिरहेको थिए अनि मलाई हिजोको लुक चाहिँ कति नै मन परेको थिएन, but I really like this look, guys. It is perfect for summer and spring. यो चाहिँ एकदमै गर्ली लाग्छ मलाई यो लुक चाहिँ. So I'm really happy with today's look. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ almost 9:30 बजिसकेको छ and it is kind of late, so I was too lazy to cook anything, and I had some leftover food from yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna eat. It's kind of like a brunch to me. Let me show you what I'm eating today. So this is what I'm eating today. यो चाहिँ rice with pork curry हो, अनि I have some raw garlic, tomatoes, carrots and cucumber. I know this is so random, but I just love rice. Ek chak chai mo rice khanchu. Maybe mo chai lunch time ma chai I will do a mukbang video for you all. I'm not too sure about it, so I'm not gonna promise you guys. If I did, you guys will find out before me because of the title. So yay, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Right now I'm watching more vlogs and eating my brekkie. Well, brunch. Ani, if you guys have never tried rice and meat curry with garlic, then definitely go ahead and try, guys. It is so good. It gives you that kick from that garlic, and I just love it, guys. I've been recently loving this, so definitely give it a try and let me know if you enjoy raw garlic with your rice and curry or not in the comments down below. So I just finished eating and my lipstick is still there, which is a yay, cause normally I will eat that all as well. अनि म चाहिँ खाजा खाएर चाहिँ अन्त दिदीसँग नि कुरा गरेको थिए, and she has invited me to her house just for chit chat. She said we will eat momo, come over. I was like, momo? Okay, I'm coming. At first I was like, should I come or not, cause I'm too lazy. You guys already know I hate walking. She lives 5 minutes away from me, so I was like, I will think about it. And when she said momo, I was like, okay, I'm coming. And that's how you know how much I love momo. That's the update for you guys, and I won't be making pani puri mukbang today. I might do it tomorrow for you guys, so I'm so sorry, and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I will upload a mukbang video for pani puri. So guys, म चाहिँ video edit गर्दै थिएँ and I heard a doorbell and I got a package. It's not for me, obviously. It's a gift. मैले Amazon बाट मगाएको. I'm going to a birthday party soon, and then I wanted to buy something cute for that girl. Her name is Brooklyn. मेरो साथीको छोरी हो. हामी सबैलाई इन्भाइट गरेको छ बर्थडे पार्टीको लागि. I'm really excited for that. I had to buy something for her cause it's her birthday. I want to surprise Brooklyn, so I just got this gift, and it came in a big box. I can't even hold it up. Let me show you what's inside. I won't be opening it, by the way. Let me show you what I got for Brooklyn. Look at this, guys. कत्रो ठुलो डब्बामा आएको छ यो चाहिँ. मलाई चाहिँ यत्रो ठुलो डब्बामा आउँछ जस्तो लागेको थिएन. It's a huge package. So let's go ahead and open it, cause Brooklyn लाई चाहिँ यो box सँग चाहिँ दिन मिल्दैन. Obviously I have to remove the box and then see if it's the right thing or not, cause it's so big. I didn't expect it to be in a big box. So हेरौँ है त के छ. म चाहिँ गएर scissor कि त knife लिएर आउँछु. So let's go ahead and do that. By the way, if you guys noticed, मेरो carpet चाहिँ still त्यही brown color को carpet छ यो kitchen मा. अनि I forgot to update you guys. Let me tell you the story about what happened with my new carpet. मैले चाहिँ carpet किन्ने भनेर चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई अपडेट गरेको थिए. म मल जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले 15 पाउन्ड को एकदमै राम्रो carpet पाएको थियो and we really loved it. And my husband and me, we went to get the money from the cash point which was inside the mall. And guys, we forgot about the carpet. It is so sad guys. And त्यसपछि we were like एकछिन घुमौं हैन किन गइराख्ने फेरि back to market मा अहिले घुमौं अनि फेरि जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ we will buy the carpet भनेको थियो. And guys, what a sad news. He closed his shop and he just left. It was snowing. I think that's why he left early किनभने mall close भएकै थिएन अनि market चाहिँ close भइसकेको थियो. Almost सबै shops हरु close भइरहेको थियो. And that day it was really windy and snow एकदमै परेको थियो. Maybe that's why they left early. So sad news guys, we couldn't buy that carpet. I'm still using my old carpet which is so old. I definitely need a new one. So yes guys, next time if I go to the mall, I will definitely pop into the market and check if it's still there. So yeah, that's about it guys. That's the update. It is so sad that it happened sometime. We were lazy and we lost the opportunity. So definitely don't be lazy. If you love something, go for it guys. Learn from me. That's the story about my carpet. Let's go ahead and open Brooklyn's gift. Okay, kasari garne, I have no idea because this is huge. Normally मेरो प्याकेजहरु चाहिँ सानो हुन्छ. Well, I can't do this with one hand guys. I have to open it and then I will show you what's in here, all right? मैले चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ त्यसरी भुइँमा राखेको छु. I think you guys are okay with that. Oh, it's so hard to open guys. Oh my god, कति मज्जाले wrapping गरेको. Let me show you guys. Look at that. The packaging is 10 on 10. यत्रो ठुलो डब्बामा हालेको छ त्यही माथि अझै पनि. Whoa, what is this? I have this one. I don't know why I have two stuffs. I'm confused. What the heck is this? Oh, dang! This is not... Okay guys, I'm so sorry for the hype. I was expecting Brooklyn's package today. But this one is not for Brooklyn. Sorry Brooklyn, this is not for you. So guys, यो चाहिँ Brooklyn को gift होइन. I'm so sorry Brooklyn, this is not for you. Actually this is for my mom. My mom's birthday is coming very soon and I wanted to give her something nice. I bought this one for her and sorry guys, I can't show you what's in here cause it's a surprise and I don't want to spoil it. She watches my videos and I can't, you know, show you what's in here. I will definitely show you this very soon. Thank God मैले यो boxलाई चाहिँ wrap गरेर gift दिएन cause sometimes I do that. I'm lazy. किनभने box नै पाउँदैन right size को, त्यही भएर चाहिँ मैले चाहिँ normally चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ box सँगै दिदिन्छु gift. मेरो बुढालाई अस्ति न popcorn machine मैले box सँग नै दिएको थिए cause I knew what's inside there. So yeah guys, I'm so glad that I opened the box. By the way, I'm so sorry Brooklyn, तिम्रो gift पनि आज नै आउँदैछ किनभने मैले चाहिँ Amazon बाट मगाएको थिए अनि Amazon मा चाहिँ free 30-day trial prime trial delivery भन्ने छ हैन. I don't know exactly के भन्छ तर त्यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने 30 days सम्म you can get free deliveries from Amazon. So yeah, I used it and took the advantage. And I'm not gonna buy the membership after 30 days. I will just close the Prime account. किनभने यो चाहिँ free trial हो. So yes guys, I'm just being clever. If you guys really want to try Prime delivery from Amazon, go ahead and do that. It is so much better cause Amazon मा चाहिँ एकदमै good quality को products हरु पाउँछ तर delivery को चाहिँ अलि महँगो छ. त्यही भएर I took the advantage and used the free Prime delivery and I'm so happy and I can show you what I'm giving to Brooklyn. So yes guys, stay tuned. आज नै delivery हुन्छ जस्तो लागिरहेछ मलाई किनभने next day delivery हुन्छ Prime order मा. I'm not too sure, मलाई लागिरहेको छ. So finger crossed and hope for the best. Look at this guys, मैले यो holiday जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ free मा पाएको थिए hotel मा and it was so cute. I didn't use it when I was there but I'm just displaying it in my toilet and it looks so cute guys. It gives the hotel vibe 5 and I just love it. Yellow color ko, blue color ko, green color ko, pink color ko छ. यो shampoo, conditioner, bath shower हरु अनि एकदमै क्यूट देखिरहेछ. अनि मैले you know होटलमा यतिकै फ्री मा दिन्छ हैन किन फालिराख्ने भनेर I just brought it here अनि I can use it as well. कहिलेकाहीँ shampoo, conditioner सिदिँदाखेरि चाहिँ I will definitely use it. I'm just gonna keep it like this for the time being. It is so cute. I just love it. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ 2 बजिसक्यो. म चाहिँ पार्सललाई कुर्दै बसिरहेको थिए. प्याकेज चाहिँ आको छ. I don't know what is inside cause म चाहिँ अहिले नै भन्न चाहदैन. आज बिहान चाहिँ के भएको छ you guys already know. So let's go ahead and see है त. यो प्याकेजमा आको छ हैन. So guys, यो चाहिँ त्यो हेडफोन्स हो जुन चाहिँ मैले ब्रुकलिनलाई किनेको छु. इट इज सो क्यूट क्याट एयर हेडफोन्स अनि यसको चाहिँ यसो लाइट पनि बल्छ. लुक एट दिस. दुईटा सेटिङ छ है. यो चाहिँ एउटा भयो, यो चाहिँ अर्को जिप्ली जिप्ली बल्छ. इजन्ट इट क्यूट. मलाई चाहिँ एकदम मन पर्यो. आई रियली वान्ट दिस वान फर माइ सेल्फ एज वेल. आई विल थिंक अबाउट इट. इट इज इन पिंक एन्ड ब्ल्याक कलर. यस्तो बक्समा आएको थियो हैन. सो मैले चाहिँ यसरी ओपन गरेर चलेछ कि चलेन भनेर चेक गरेको. यो चाहिँ एक्स्ट्रा ब्याट्री हो यो एयर्स को लागि. रियली क्यूट. आई लभ इट. आई होप ब्रुकलिन विल लाइक दिस वान cause it is so cute and perfect for little Brooklyn. By the way guys, मैले चाहिँ सोचेको थिएन कि यो क्याट इयरफोन्स चाहिँ यति सानो हुन्छ होला भनेर. It is quite small. बिहान चाहिँ मैले when I saw the box I was like कसरी यत्रो ठुलो डब्बामा हाल्यो जस्तो लागेको थियो. तर maybe fragile छ होला त्यही भएर nicely pack गर्यो होला भन्ने वेमा सोचेको थिए guys. It is a very beautiful gift and I'm really happy with the purchase. I hope Brooklyn will also like it. And yes guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching today's vlog. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you soon. Bye. By the way, म चाहिँ अन्दा दिदीको घरमा जाँदै छु अब and I won't be vlogging there. So that's about it. Just wanted to let you know. Bye.